Alright, I'm just doing like a quick session here. It's down. It's a downpour right now. Rain's coming down, and I'm going to just see. AM is hard sometimes when it's really overcast, so we'll see what happens. So to whoever's affecting this meter right here, can you? Okay, stop. Back away for a second. Back away. Let's try this again. If you're a female, affect that meter, please. If you're a male, affect that meter, please. Okay. Alright, that was kind of serious. Alright, so I'm going to ask some questions. I'm going to see what kind of reception we can get. Probably a lot of static. Extra static with the overcast. Today is Friday, June 2nd, 2017. I am in the kitchen. Do you know that it's a big storm right now? Do you know that it's raining outside? Can you say yes or no? Yes. Okay. Do you know that it's a big storm right now? Do you know that it's raining outside? Can you say yes or no? Alright, so are you able to see me right now? Can you see me? It's like we see. Alright, so if you can see if the reading's showing up, it is on the camera. I've got it set on barometric pressure, so it's just doing some kind of fluctuations here. We'll see if it coincides with anything at all. Tell me your name, please. My name is Ian. Tell me your name. Okay. What's your favorite food? Water? What's your favorite food? Water? Why is water so important to you? Coffee. Are you okay? Is there anyone that is happy? Happy. What's your name? Are you alive? That was a female voice. Can you say goodbye?
Yes, boy.
That was a goodbye in there. Alright. Alright, man, that's staticky. Good time.